Okay, Marta here, Ridgepoint Rail. Just doing a little video for a question of someone who was running Z21 on an app and connecting to the DR5000. So we'll just go to the Play Store and we'll get our Z21 app. Apologies if you know how to do some of this, but I'll just cover it all from start to stop. So we should be able to see that okay. I've done up a little test track is sitting over here. I don't know whether you can see much. It's a bit dim, but never mind. Lucky you've got fast internet. It's 85 megabytes and it'll take a little bit to install. Wake up. Okay, that's installing. I can shut that app down and go into my settings. I don't want accounts. Connections. There's my DR5000, so I'll click on that. I want to connect. And the passwords are, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mine's joined that already, so we'll forget it. So normally you'd search for it. It comes up here. Going to connect to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll hit that show password. We've got connect. Yeah, fantastic. Hop down here. So the Wi-Fi shown up here is connected to the DR5000, and we open the app. So the first time takes a little bit longer than anything else. So there's our status button. This is a Z21 button up here, and the layout's a fair bit different to what a telephone is, but we need to go into the settings first, and we've got the app settings. We'll visit those in a minute. Z21 settings, this is the IP address. 192.168.16.254, and we'll hit that reconnect. Oh, lovely. I've got a connected sign here, and my light's gone blue up there. So this is the Z21 button that the app refers to. So this is a stop command. There's two ways the stop command can operate. And we'll go to app settings over here. Scroll down to, when pushing the Z21 button, you can stop all locos or change it to voltage off. If I hit that to voltage off, what happens now is you should start it and that should stop it. There we go, short circuit. So here we go, and restart it again. You might have heard it clicking in the background. This is our driving screen here, but all the default vehicles are over here, and you can delete them one at a time. Bit of a nuisance really, deleting all those. What you can do is go to layout instead. Add new layout. So empty layout. It's going to create a layout. This will be called My Railroad 1. And my layout is the one with the 10 locos. I can delete that one. Instead, if I was to create, let's say I'm going to have a demo layout as well. If you've got multiple layouts, you can select between which layout you want, of course. So if you ran at a friend's place and had all your locos at a friend's place and perhaps some of his, but you wanted some at home, you could have this called my home layout, and we'll call this one my home. So you can rename it there, hit done. So there's 12 locos on home and my railroad. We're going to do this one for, call this one demo, my demo. And there's no trains on that one. So the tick is next to my home. We're into my demo. I'm going to take layout and use. Come on. And the tick is now gone down here. Lovely. Okay, if I go to drive here, it says no locos fitted. So we'll go to vehicles. Okay, this is your vehicles page. If I go to add, I can hit a demo loco, which will be a number 3. And we'll go back out of here and go to play. The demo loco has appeared here and all the functions are pre-populated. I wish you could actually add a picture to this one. You can't, but never mind. Close that off. So if you're going to use in my vehicles, this is a demo loco. It says here demo loco number 3. It has a tick next to it. And you can change that to any number that you like. And on my test track I've got number 164, I think. Done. I'll cancel that because it's already programmed. I don't need to program any of that. Go to play. Lovely. That's working fine. This is number 164 demo loco. If you've got points and a map programmed, it'll come up here. If not, go to the throttle picture. Okay. So that loco will drive now straight away because I have entered a loco with 164. But if I'm going to add a new vehicle, to add a locomotive, I'm now at number 3. So we'll call this my 2012 Olympic edition. It's already programmed, I know that. So he's Hitachi, I think. Hitachi. Ugh, I don't have a picture. I'll use an example image. I'll use that one. Okay, it's DCC 128 speed steps. They're all DR5000s are configured to be 28 128 speed steps. Okay. Now this is 4 tabs over here. There's the data, which is I enter the picture, the name of the loco and the number. The functions is the next one. So in the first function is function 0. This is a light. So I'm going to add the light picture there. Now in number 2, if it was sound, this might be your horn. And that's function 1. Tap over here. Well, I've got a light there. Now I've got a light there. Good. In here's now 3. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go to number 2. It needs to be number 2. 2 might be a bell, for example. Or air compressor. There should be a picture of a bell unless I've gone past it. There we go, bell. So just remember to go back to the data screen and then you won't get lost. Right. So now if I play, I have, this is the 164 demo loco. And this is my 2012 where I can turn the lights on, blast the horn, turn the bell on, etc. Alright. So, in the settings, in the app settings, you can increase the text size if you want to. This will make some changes to the steering type, or if you're a Molly Duker, you can set the throttle will appear on the other side by this left and right here. Driving direction inverted for everything, I'd stay away from that one. Okay, this is our voltage off, which when I touch this, it'll turn it off and then go into short circuit mode. Or this one is a stop all locos. So now it will just flash crazily. There we go. So I like, it's up to you, personal preference, whether you want it to voltage on, voltage off. You've got your turnout switch times, a few other things. There's not much more to see in there. And you can choose some different colours if you like. A blank background is good. It helps extend the battery life, as a white background uses more power from the battery. Okay, if I go to vehicles again, there's my two vehicles. If I want to create a consist, I go to add, and I'm going to add a train, not a loco or a wagon or accessory, but a train this time. So we'll call that consist train. Consist. It doesn't need a number. Turn it active so it'll appear on my driving screen. Choose a picture. Oh, that was two train there. That looks okay. Now, we're going to use that one. And it won't let me add a demo loco to it. Nasty thing. Oh. I need to add another train to demonstrate that. So I'll go to here. I'm going to duplicate that one. I'll get another one, the Hitachi 2012. Let's call this one 2013. Done. Cancel. So go back to my new consist and train compilation. Now I have 2012 and 2013 in the compilation, and it's software managed, so if I drive this now, did I put it on the track? Vehicles, no I didn't. There we go, we'll put it on the track. I'll take those off. So every time I go to a loco and turn that red toggle off, it won't appear on the driving screen. So there's my consist. Just look at this side, because this is a duplicate. So this is the 2013, that's the 2012, but both of them will operate. Oh. Interesting. Wonder why it's doing that. No throttle. I wonder if this is the problem you're experiencing, Pete. I wonder. So I'll turn that on the track. I'll get rid of the consist and I'll just see if it's a consist problem. So this is... Okay. This speed can be adjusted in the settings. Right. It didn't like me running the consist. I wonder why. There's 2012 vehicles. So I'm going to add 2013 to the track now, which is the same picture. I'm going to touch that over there. Go back to steering, and now I can have 2013 down here and 2012 over here, and they will operate independently. Right. So if this button here isn't working, you've got to make sure you've got trains added. So if you don't have any trains on this with little ticks to the side, so I've got nothing active at the moment. It says nothing is active, but it does warn you need to add locomotives to the library. If you touch on that, you can add them or just turn them on. Okay, so we'll just have a look at some more settings. So text size, steering type, we'll put that on normal and we'll have a look. This is where we can edit the curve. So you can change this for more control at high speed, more control at low speed, or more control at low speed, more control at high speed, and hardly any mid control. Very weird one, that one. And it is adjustable. I don't like much control over high speed. No one needs that. And now we get nice control there down the bottom, and less control up the top. I'll hit done, and I'm just going to put it into differential mode there. Steering sensitivity, we'll put this on high. This will affect now this. Oh, that seems to work very well. Try not to drag it up from the bottom. It won't have any, won't work. But grab it in the middle and then move it around. So if it's off, put your finger in the middle and you can bring it up. This is a pretty old tablet. It's a little bit jerky. Newer products are a lot better. I mean, this is a very cheap 1 gig of RAM tablet. 2 gig of RAM, runs nicely with this app. For CV programming, we need to go over to manual and then program track, and you can CV5, CV6, make settings to your start voltage, your maximum voltage. CV3 of course is acceleration delay and deceleration on CV4, and mid-range 90s a good one to put there. Okay, well, perhaps if you're having a problem, Peter, you can tell me at what stage or give me a time that appeared in this video, and see if we can help you out from there. Okay, alright, thanks mate. I'll put this up on YouTube and we'll see how we go.